purpose of this hike is to get people engaged in nature, to experience the immediate surroundings in USAG Bavaria footprint.
So anybody in the USAG Bavaria community can attend the hikes. We're really excited about getting everybody out and engaged in learning more about nature. We offer these hikes once a month, but we do encourage people to get outside more often because there's so much to see in the larger region.
The best part about these hikes is being able to get together and have conversations about the flora and fauna that surrounds us, and we are here to help you transition into being outdoors.